We will see how to insert batteries into Zyra Hobtop. You will find the battery compartment, pop it to open. You need 2 D-type everyday batteries. Insert the batteries properly. We will see how to operate timer in the Zyra Hobtop. You will see left, minus, plus, right adds. L is for the left side burner. R is for the right side burner. Long press the R. You see the timer is turned on. Press once to increase time by 1 minute long. Press hold to increase it by 10 minutes and press minus for 1 minute. Decrease long press to decrease by 10 minutes. So after the blinking stop, you can form it like the timer is set to 5 minutes. If you want to change timer again, long press the R button. Battery icon will be visible. Then you can edit the timer based on your requirement. So now timer is confirmed. If you want to cancel the timer, for right burner press and hold the L and R. Timer will be turned off. Same for the left side timer also. When we started burner and keep timer for 1 minute, we will see how timer will cut off the flame of the burner. As you can see, once the time reaches, in the timer you get a notifying alarm sound and flame as will turned off automatically. So after flame has been turned off, even the knob is in the on position. You will not get any gas leak, so it will safely turn off after you notify turn of the knob safely.